Hey guys, welcome to Wisconsin Wonder Garden. First off, I want to say, yes, I know we've done it. We've reached 10,000 subscribers, and it came way faster than I thought it would. So I haven't quite got my ducks in a row yet for what we're going to do for the special 10,000 subscriber giveaway, but we still have another giveaway to do yet, which is the 9,800 subscriber giveaway. Don't worry, that's still coming. It just came way faster than I thought it would be, so thank you guys all so much. In today's video though, I'm going to show you guys what some of our succulents look like that have been growing in the aquaponics as we're about to transfer them over into soil. Let's check these out. So pulling the plant out of the soil, you see a very healthy and happy root system right there. This is an Aeonium kiwi. As you can see, there's tons of little offsets everywhere that you could propagate if you would like to. I've taken about 6 or 7 from this one already within the last couple of months, and it's just doing really well. But I'm going to get it planted into the soil here so we can transplant it into a new project planter that we have going on around at the garden. So I just wanted to show you guys that. The first step that we're going to do is take off all of the rocks, the substrate and the media, you know, that anything that might be tied up in those roots, we want to get that off. Okay, we trimmed it up, gave it a little bit of a bath, cleaned it up, and we're just going to put it right into the soil here. Just like that. We've just done the same thing with a few different varieties, so this way they're totally acclimated to soil and will have no problem transferring over once they go into the final planter. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for the giveaway videos and as well as an update on several of the different planters we have at the house because of your request. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.